Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. This is the second episode of series Device Owner on Android system. In this episode we will talk about uninstalling applications programmatically without the user's permission. When you are admin on some Android device, you can basically uninstall every application that you want. I made button delete, which simply says delete application. We will now implement this functionality and we will try to delete this application here, which you can see on the main screen. This is my test app. What we need to do is get a reference on package installer. So package installer package manager dot package installer. We need to define some parameters. Package installer session params. You need to set this mode full install. Okay, now is the very important step. You need to set up package name, the package name of the application you want to delete. So this is my package name. We need to open session for installation or uninstallation. Package installer, create session with these params. And basically what we can do is call package installer uninstall. The first parameter is package name of the application we want to uninstall, and the second parameter is broadcast pending intent. Okay, I will again paste this package name. The second argument is pending intent. Get broadcast context is this because we are in activity. Session ID. Intent is android.intent action main with caps on. After that, we need to define flags, which are pending intent, immutable, or pending intent update current. And the last step is to call intent sender on this pending intent. And now what we can do is run our application and try to delete this app here programmatically. Okay, as you can see, I added a third button, delete application. When I click on it, we can see the notification deleted by your admin. So Android shows you notification that the app was deleted by your admin, because this app is now admin of this whole device. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.